Okay guys, we're on our way to Kia Georgetown to film our first commercial. It's a sampler video just so we can show what we can do. It's gonna be a 30-second video. We got Ken and Tao here and myself, that's our crew. It's actually -7 outside, so not the best circumstances, but we got it sunny and we're gonna see what we can make happen today. So stick around if you wanna hang out, see some behind the scenes. Cindy, what do you mean? Cindy, we're on the way to do the commercial right now. You're telling me we don't have Brad Pitt, Oscar-nominated actor in movies such as Once Upon a Time in Hollywood? What are we supposed to do? Well, he wanted $2 million. I thought he'd be down. It's like a cool thing. It's kind of like coming back to Earth, shooting with us. Okay, you know what, Cindy? I'm just gonna fill in for Brad. I can pull it off. If Brad Pitt can pull it off, Jared McKoy can pull it off too. So you know what? We're just gonna make it work. All right, we're on set. Ken's about to launch the drone. Tao's got back from the bathroom. Next time we'll use this guy for the commercial. We just got our shots. Ken's gonna bring that drone back down. All right, I think we got it. Yeah, sick, Tao. Go. No way. Oh, man. Hey, Mom. I got it. I know. It's so nice. I can't believe it.
Okay. Rolling. Action.
Mom, I got it. I know, I can't believe it. Tao, you get it? Let me see the donut. Yo, Ken. Grab some behind the scenes. I like this as fuck. Okay guys, as you can see by my rig, we're getting a little bit creative here. I've rigged this up so that we can do a point of view shot of getting the key out of my pocket, walking to my car. So we're gonna now get creative. We've got the whole rough run through done. Now we can mess around and get all the type of funny shots we want to get. Tao's got some ideas. I know Ken's got some ideas.
You done? Okay.
Sorry, Sig. Just back up. There's extra shots. halfway through the rough run through of the video. We're into the dialogue, and now we're highlighting the steering wheel, and you know, my fingers are frozen. It's cold out here, but it's going well. We got a sunny day, and so when I close my hand, you pan up, okay? This way. Yeah. Nice. Okay, that's a wrap for our first commercial ever at Kia Georgetown. It was a cold day, but we made it happen. We got creative, and if you guys want to see the commercial, I'll link that above. So check it out, and we'll see you guys next time. Subscribe if you want to see all the behind-the-scenes footage of upcoming commercials and everything. It's going to be exciting.